Hi, welcome to another 4AC video. In this video, we want to look at our lecture for topic 4. Topic 4 looks at AC power. Just a quick summary. Topic 1, 2, 3 looks at specifically the circuits and the relationships between the voltage and currents and the various components of circuits. In topic 4, we want to look at the AC power. So at the end of this topic, we will be able to understand or explain the power supply by an AC source to different type of loads. For example, a resistive load, a reactive power, which we term VAR, for pure inductive and capacitive loads. We also want to be able to explain the concept of complex power, apparent power, real power, reactive power, and also the concept of power factor, which you saw earlier, but we are going to elaborate more in this topic. We will also need to learn how to draw what we call power triangles, which help us to understand the relationships between apparent power, real power, and reactive power, and how from this triangle we can derive the power factor. And next, we want to learn how to calculate the true power, real power, reactive power, and the apparent power, given a certain circuits with their various components. And we also want to be able to express AC power in the vector or phasor domain, and explain why we need to look at power factor and why it has to be corrected or improved to close to 1. Right? And how do we go about doing this if we want to correct the power factor? And finally, we want to calculate what are capacitance required, additional capacitance, in order to improve power factor of an inductive load, which is very, very common in an AC circuit. So this is a quick summary of what topic 4 will address. Let's look at other video subsequently in addition to this introduction. Bye-bye.